Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Cherokee High Altitude in Velvet Red Pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, granite crystal exterior badging, LED tail lamps, dual bright exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, dual zone temperature control, ParkSense rear park assist with stop, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5721.